Hello everyone. From this month, the second phase of vaccination has started in India. As you all know, Government of India has approved Covaxin made by Bharat Biotech of India and Covishield by Serum Institute of India for emergency use. While both these vaccines are given as two doses with an interval of 28 days or 4 weeks apart, there are a lot of questions that we get about. What are the key differences between Covaxin and Covishield, and are they effective against the coronavirus infection? So, without much delay, let's get started. Starting with Covaxin, it's India's first homemade vaccine against COVID-19 infection that uses an inactivated virus or killed virus, and in the mid-stage trials, it has shown a high antibody response. According to its manufacturer Bharat Biotech, Covaxin has 81% efficacy in preventing symptomatic infections of COVID-19 based on the results of the late-stage trials. That being said, the vaccine has shown better antibody response in phase 2 trials compared to phase 1 trials, and this is mainly due to change in gap between two doses from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. However, it's worth mentioning here that the phase 2 vaccination trials included volunteers from only 9 Indian states divided into groups of people belonging to the age groups of 12 to 18 years and 55 to 65 years respectively. So obviously there is lack of gender and ethnic diversity, and follow-up studies are necessary to establish the immunogenicity of the vaccine, not just in the older people but also in children. Coming to Covishield vaccine, it is a local version of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine being distributed by Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer in terms of volume. It uses a viral vector, a weakened version of adenovirus plus spike protein of COVID-19 to prevent the infection. For this as well, you will be given 2 doses of vaccine with a time gap of around 4 weeks or 28 days for good protection against the infection. Currently, the vaccine has appeared to be 80% effective in preventing serious or severe complications of COVID-19 infection in elderly and high-risk individuals right after the single dose based on the preliminary research. While scientists have revealed that the efficacy of vaccine is around 70%, they have also mentioned that it can be accelerated to 90% if administered as a half dose followed by full dose 1 month later. Lastly, you must tell your doctor if you are not eligible for COVID-19 vaccination, which can be under circumstances wherein you have a fever or you are immunocompromised, you are using blood thinners or have some bleeding disorders, you are pregnant or lactating, or if you had received another dose of COVID-19 vaccine, or if you had a serious allergic reaction after the previous dose of vaccine. So let's be more aware and get vaccinated for COVID-19 for a healthier today and tomorrow.